Hello, everyone. My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Place, Tiffany-inspired home decor, where I show you how I decorate my home using all things Tiffany Co. That's right, you heard it here first. I am going to decorate my new home using all home decor that I like from Tiffany Company, also from pre-love and consignment stores as well. So let's get into this video because we have a nice unboxing from Tiffany.com, the official website. So let's get into this video. Okay, so as you can see, we have our blue Tiffany Co. shopping bag. So let's dig inside and see what we have. Okay. We have receipt. We have our blue box. Let's put this over here to the side. We have our Tiffany blue box with our white satin bow. Absolutely gorgeous, right? Okay, so let's open it up. What do you think is inside of this unboxing? Take a guess real quick before I open it. Let me show you the size of the box so you can get a good guess of what you think it might be. Okay, let's see. So right here, it says Tiffany Co. Let's do a opening up. There we have some tissue paper. Let's open up the tissue paper. Oh, there we go. Can you see that? Nestled in there, nice and beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Still can't figure out what it is? Let's pull it out and see. Okay, so we have it. Let's put our box over to the side. So we have it here. It has a nice sticker, tape wrapped around, and it says Tiffany Co. has their own tape. Their own signature tape. Oh, am I able to get it? Let's see. Got it. I'm able to, I had the strength. So let's unwrap. Let's see that you guess right. What do you think it is? We almost there. Well wrapped, isn't it? Absolutely. Definitely well wrapped. Aha. Here we go. So, as follows. We have the Ampersand crystal shot glass. Inspired from the iconic Tiffany logo, it's crystal glass. It's 2.3 inches high, and it holds 2.5 ounces. Okay? 2.5 ounces. Absolutely beautiful. www.tiffany.com. I will list the price right here so you know how much it is, and down in the description box. So this is my second shot glass, okay? This is the second one I have purchased from Tiffany Co. online purchase. Absolutely beautiful. And remember, it holds 2.5 ounces, okay? And the height is 2.3. Absolutely beautiful. Our money affirmation today is, I feel marvelous as a rich person. Let me bring you up. All right, my loves. We have our second shot glass. Absolutely beautiful. Remember, our money affirmation for today is, I feel marvelous as a rich person. Absolutely beautiful, right? I see you in the next video. Enjoy your weekend. Much love from Glenneceria's Place, Tiffany Inspired Home Decor. Have a good day, everyone. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you Tuesday. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Bye for now.